got some vibe to it, man. I love it. I love it.
For talented Birmingham City School scholars like Jarvis Agee, being able to tap into his music creativity is a fun way to express himself.
It just makes me happy because it allows me to like see where I came from when I started, and then I can see like now, oh yeah, I just made this good beat.
Jarvis is one of many BCS high schoolers taking part in this year's Full Bloom Summer Academy. During the artistry-driven 6-week summer program, students are gaining valuable hands-on experience in creative works like photography, videography, and beat making.
If you can dream it, if you can have the courage to try, and you have people who believe in you, who can put resources in front of you, and you have the courage to take advantage of that, you can do anything, man, from production to videos to learning how to write songs and poetry, man.
Now, this is the first time some students have ever picked up a camera or even engineered their own music beat. Recent P.D. Jackson-Nolan High School graduate Sean Covert is one of those newcomers who's spending his summer break at the camp. Now, he believes the camp is helping to shape his career interest.
I came here because of my creativity, my creative passion has been locked behind doors for the longest. And I ain't gonna lie to you, like when I seen this opportunity, it gave me a time to actually expand on it, draw something, probably envision different things, take pictures like they said, make beats and different things like that. I didn't know what it had to offer. And different programs like this give children the opportunity to open their mind, expand, learn new things.
As scholars look through the lens, the goal is also for them to see their own stories as well as the stories of their ancestors.
We want students to be experienced in telling their stories, to feel confident in telling their stories, not only just their current stories, but stories about their history, about their culture, where they come from.
As you can see, the Full Bloom Summer Camp is taking enrichment to another level, with creativity being the driving force. I'm Jalen Holloway, BCS Media.